Hey friends, welcome to day 3 of our vocabulary challenge. Today's word is easy. We'll explore 3 synonyms, simple, effortless, and straightforward, that you can use to express similar ideas in different ways. Let's dive into what each of these words means, along with some examples of how to use them in daily conversation. Starting with our main word, easy. When we say something is easy, we mean it doesn't require much effort, skill, or complexity. An easy task is one that you can handle without stress or struggle. You might say, "That exam was easy," or "This recipe is easy to follow." Now let's take a look at the synonyms. Simple. This word is similar to easy, but it suggests a lack of complexity or detail. If something is simple, it's straightforward and uncomplicated. For example, a simple solution doesn't involve a lot of steps or overthinking. Effortless. This synonym takes it a step further, implying not just ease, but also grace. If something is effortless, it's not only easy, but feels natural, as though it requires no struggle at all. Straightforward. This word means clear and direct, without any confusion. A straightforward task doesn't require much decision making. It's clear-cut. It's to the point. Now let's use easy in a couple of sentences, then substitute it with each synonym. The instructions were easy to follow. Our first sentence. With the synonyms, the instructions were simple to follow. The instructions were effortless to follow. The instructions were straightforward to follow. It was an easy decision to make. That was our second sentence. Using the synonyms, it was a simple decision to make. It was an effortless decision to make. It was a straightforward decision to make. Let's talk about how these synonyms differ slightly in meaning and tone, starting with the first example. The instructions were easy to follow. Replace easy with simple. Simple keeps things relaxed and uncomplicated. If you say the instructions were simple to follow, it emphasizes that the instructions were clear and direct without unnecessary detail. Effortless takes it up a notch, implying not only that the instructions were easy to follow, but that following them felt natural and intuitive, requiring little thought or concentration. Straightforward. Straightforward gives a sense of structure and clarity. By saying the instructions were straightforward to follow, you're suggesting there was no confusion in the steps. It was laid out clearly, which made the process easy to follow. In the second example, it was an easy decision to make. The nuances are also different. Simple implies that the decision wasn't complicated and it didn't require a lot of deliberation. A simple decision often doesn't involve weighing the pros and cons and consulting other people or opinions. Effortless suggests that the decision came naturally or intuitively. Saying it was an effortless decision conveys that it didn't just lack difficulty, but it felt right without hesitation. Straightforward in this context means that the decision was clear-cut and obvious, with no second guessing. A straightforward decision is one where the right choice stands out clearly. So to recap, easy is a general way to describe something that's not difficult, while simple emphasizes the lack of complexity. Effortless suggests both ease and grace, as if the task or decision came about naturally. Finally, straightforward implies clarity and structure and a process that is easy to follow. Thanks for joining today's lesson. Try these words in your conversations. We'll see you tomorrow with a new word in our vocabulary challenge.